Hi guys, we're at Cromwell Lane level cross, Carlton on track level crossing Nottinghamshire with Joe Godderman and Carlton DB trains. We're waiting here for our 2002 458 Oscar EWS service from Felixstowe north to Wakefield Europort, and I'm recording this. I'm not missing this.
Hi guys, we're back again at Carlton on Trent level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Golden, Joe and DB trains. Now, the time is 19:46 on Saturday the 7th of November 2015. This is for our 2002 458 Oscar EWS service from Felixstowe north to Wakefield Europort. This is heavily early.
It's only about a few minutes.
Right,
We've got 147. To Wakefield, and they go. Any sec, we're about to go back down again. Let's go, next video.